You're creating a presentation and you have two slides that you either have or would like to have that are really close and have a relationship. So maybe it's a before, it's an after, new process versus old process. And you'd like to animate them so that it really looks, it makes the process look smooth and transitioned. This is called a morph transition. So let's take a look at how it works. So in this I have my old process, and the key thing about this is that to get it to work easiest, what you do is you duplicate your slide. So I normally create the first slide and I get it looking pretty much how I want it to look. Then I just right mouse click and I choose duplicate slide. Then I can make changes to the new one. So I go, this is the new process, and I would maybe add in more options. So maybe I have another one here. Okay, so you just change the slide to however you want. And I'm just going to add this connector, there we go, and then I'm going to color, there we go. And that's it. So you have a before and after, and I've based it on the same slide. So these shapes all have names behind them, and it knows that that's this shape, and the shape on the first slide is really the same shape. This is how it does the morph, okay? Then what I do is I select the two slides. So I select the first one, I shift, I click on the next one, okay? Or you can use Control. And then I go up to the Transitions tab. And in Transitions, you might see, like I have mine here, Morph. But if not, it will be down in the list here, okay? And when you pause on it, it does tell you what you need. Okay, so it says duplicate a slide, move things around, and then apply. So now I'm going to apply it. And then what I'm going to do is let's take a look here, the slideshow. And it morphs from one into the other. Now I have used this quite a lot in training when I'm going from exactly what I was showing you here, an old process into a new process. So how the old process worked, and this is the new process. I think when I first was shown this, the demonstration was about the solar system, and it had the planets, and then they changed alignment and the morph moved them around. So just use your creativity, see what it looks like, and have fun with it. If you found this video useful, informative, or interesting, please do click on that thumbs up button to like. And if you'd like to encourage me to do more, if you'd like to see more videos, please do subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it, and have a great day. Bye for now.